myself Nikita and my roll number is 65, and we did a project on the waste management criteria, and the name of our project is the Waste Wizard. And we see in our day-to-day life there were a lot of people who work on the safety for the society, and they work to reduce the wastage in our societies. And they will like GHMC workers who usually do a lot of work in our day-to-day lives, and they do their work manually because they were very limited existing solutions for them to use the technology. And these GHMC workers usually do manual work because they have to collect the waste in our societies day to day. And also there were a lot of workers in our college. They collect the wastage across our college. So they have to lift the dustbins with their own hands, and they have to move them around the college. This increases the manual work. So to reduce manual work, we came across a solution. So we did a project named Waste Wizard. This will definitely helpful for them to reduce their manual work. So the main aim of our project is to reduce the manual work for who always do the manual work to reduce the waste in our societies. My teammates will continue.
And our project objective is this project is designed for user operation, like to reduce the human effort by moving it by remote control, and which is also segregate the dry waste and wet waste by using sensors, which is used at desired location for better waste management in our daily life.
I am Sathik and my roll number is 6689. Today I am going to tell about the existing solutions of our project. And there are 3 existing solutions of our project, that are autonomous mobile robots and sensor technology and frenetic waste pipes. And in autonomous mobile robots, the dust will be carried by robots. So in our project we carry dust with controlling with mobile. And in the sensor technology we use different types of sensors, and they are cost effective. So sensors are very cost, and we cannot normally afford that sensor. And in frenetic waste pipes, they used pipes for the collection of dust. In our project, we used normal waste. Thank you.
Start.
That's an existing solutions, self-driving technology, energy consumption, data overload, and limited functionalities in AMS and sensor technology. Energy consumption will be there, and in sensor technology, overload the data. And in the self-driving technology, we can drive by our own. And
Hi everyone, my name is Pranay, and I am here to explain about proposed solution of our proposed solution. As the existing solutions which have already been told, in order to overcome the disadvantages of that existing solution, we come up with the proposed solution. Come up with the solution where the user can be able to move the system to their desired locations and collect the waste and move the system without any burden. So the proposed solution of R contains Arduino, and Arduino which acts as a microcontroller where it helps in the movement of the system, and the wheels are controlled by the motor driver, which is given supply from a 12-volt battery. This helps to move the system from one design location to the other design location. The proposed solution of ours can also segregate the waste into dry and wet waste with the help of the. Firstly, the user has to connect to the system through Bluetooth, which with the help of Arduino card. As the user is connected to the system, he can be able to move the complete system from one location to the other location, and the waste which is dropped into the dustbin is segregated into dry and wet waste. This is how the segregation of the waste is also held through our solution. And as the user can be able to move from one location to the other location without any burden, he can be able to collect the waste without any burden, and also can be able to move the system from one location to other location. This solution, which overcomes the limitations of AMR as well as sensor technology, and which is also cost effective, which can be able to purchase by everyone and anyone. And this is how the solution works. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Himaja, and I am here to conclude this project. We can observe the worker is taking a lot of burden to move the bin other than collecting the waste. So here we have created an automatic controller, Bluetooth controller device, so that we can move the Bluetooth with the help of mobile. And I can surely say that this is a groundbreaking innovation, so that we have two features in it, like we can control the Bluetooth
nowadays wet waste, everyone are neglecting the wet waste and dry waste segregation. Like it plays a major role in the waste disposal. You can observe that here there is a two partitions like wet waste and dry waste.